Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ViewSonic's latest 24-inch touch monitor. So friend, ViewSonic has announced that its brand new 24-inch touch monitor ID2456, which offers 10-finger touch function, and it is equipped with an MPP 2.0 active pen and providing schools with smart podium solution. Instead of non-touch computer screen on the traditional podium, teachers can now complete all operation using their fingers and connect to the original projection equipment in the classroom, and it can accurately present the actual brush strokes on handwriting, offering a more intuitive digital interactive touching experience. And when it combined with the View Director, a personal director software, teaching materials, video camera feed and projector images can be displayed on the screen immediately, and teachers can use their fingers to drag and relocate images, zoom in and out and resize images on the screen, and teaching material and contents will therefore not be blocked, further improving teaching efficiency. And it can also be used as a desktop digital whiteboard, allowing students to achieve better interaction during group discussions. And 15 to 70 degree inclination adjustment function can be operated to achieve ergonomic postures. And if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.